In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to Harvard College. If you're planning to apply as an undergraduate, the main place to begin is Harvard's admissions apply page. This is where you can review the official requirements and make sure you're preparing everything correctly from the start. It's a good idea to check this page early, because Harvard has specific deadlines and required materials that you'll want to organize well in advance. For the actual application, Harvard uses the Common Application. That means your first major task is to complete and submit the Common App. Along with the main application, you'll also need to answer Harvard-specific supplemental questions, which are typically short written responses tailored to the school. These are important because they help the admissions team learn more about you beyond grades and test scores, so make sure your answers are thoughtful and clear. There is also an application fee of $90. If paying that fee would be a financial hardship, you can request a fee waiver instead. Be sure to handle that part during the application process so your submission is not delayed. Next, pay close attention to the deadlines. If you're applying through early action, the deadline is November 1st. If you're applying through regular decision, the deadline is January 1st. Missing a deadline can mean waiting for another admissions cycle, so it helps to set personal reminders and aim to submit before the final day. Harvard also requires standardized test scores. You'll need to submit either the SAT or the ACT, with or without the writing section. According to the instructions, you can self-report your scores directly on the application. Even so, always review the latest admissions guidance so you understand exactly how Harvard wants scores submitted. In addition to testing, your school records are a required part of the process. Your high school counselor must send a school report that includes your transcript. They also need to submit a mid-year report and later a final report. Because these documents come from your school, it's smart to speak with your counselor early and confirm they know your deadlines. You'll also need letters of recommendation. Harvard requires 2 teacher recommendations, and these should come from teachers who know you well and can speak about your academic performance in the classroom. On top of that, your guidance counselor must also provide a recommendation letter. Overall, the process includes the Common Application, Harvard's supplemental questions, the fee or fee waiver, test scores, school reports and transcripts, and your recommendation letters. Take your time, stay organized, and use the official Harvard admissions page as your checklist so you can submit everything accurately and on time.